What if you could turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant, strategist, and productivity coach all at once? Greetings. I'm Jay, and welcome to AI Johns, where we break down the tools changing the way we live, think, and hustle. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful productivity hacks for professionals using ChatGPT, pulled straight from our top article. Unleash ChatGPT Power 5 Productivity Hacks for Professionals. First up, context cheating. Think of it like giving ChatGPT a cheat sheet. When you give it a framework like a SWOT analysis or even a tone to write in, you're setting it up to win. Clear instructions equal better results. ChatGPT isn't a mind reader, but with the right context, it performs like a pro. Next, intentional conversion. Got a 200-page report you don't have time to read? Ask ChatGPT to pull out competitor insights, market shifts, or trends instantly. This is a game changer for analysts, marketers, and anyone swimming in data. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps. Number 3, answer leveling. Don't just take the first answer and bounce. Use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner. Ask follow-ups. Get it to go deeper. Challenge it. Refine your question. Add nuance. You'll uncover perspectives you didn't even know you were looking for. Number 4, seamless data extraction. Take messy notes or transcripts and ask ChatGPT to extract action items, decisions, or key takeaways and organize them into a neat table. Spreadsheets, simplified. You do the talking, ChatGPT does the sorting. Finally, converting feedback into action. Ever get vague feedback like, "This could be better"? Instead of guessing, feed it to ChatGPT and ask for a summary plus action plan. Suddenly, criticism becomes direction, and direction becomes growth. These aren't just productivity hacks, they're a mindset shift. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Head to AIJohns.com for the full article and more deep dives. And if you're ready to stop working harder and start working smarter, you already know what to do. Subscribe, tap in, and unlock the power of AI. This is AI Johns, and we just getting started. If you got value from this, hit that like, smash that subscribe, and as always, go birds.